Mr. Cook, make everything better.
Chicken strips cut from chicken breast, approximately 250 to 300 grams. Buttermilk 2 cups. Hot sauce 2 teaspoons. Mix well. Salt to taste 1/4 teaspoon. Chicken strips. Set aside 1 hour. All-purpose flour 2 cups. White pepper 3/4 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste 2/2 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1/4 teaspoon. Baking powder 1/4 teaspoon. Mix all ingredients. Eggs to nose. Salt a pinch. Whisk the eggs. Take strips and place in flour. Coat with flour mixture. Coat with egg mix. Back in the flour. Coat evenly with flour. Place on rack. Repeat with other strips. Rest the strips for 10 minutes. Heat oil for deep frying. Chicken strips drop one by one in hot oil. Fry 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Turn over the chicken strips. Continue to fry for 3 more minutes. Fry till golden brown. Fry in batches of 4-5 strips. Serve immediately to the dining table. For some more delicious new recipes, subscribe and click bell icon our channel. Thanks for watching Mr. Cook.